Okay, everybody, welcome. This is going to be just a short description of your Livecam behavior observation assignment. You will see this page. Obviously, if you've found this video, you've opened this page. It asks you to do two things. First, spend 10 to 15 minutes watching your Livecam that you selected in week 1. To do that, you're going to need to go back to your week 1 folder in the course Animal Behavior, and you're looking for asynchronous assignment number 2. When you open that, you will find the discussion post that you listed, and you can link to the Livecams. Here's the link. And find the Livecam that you decided you wanted to watch, right? You can search up here if you need to find it again, or maybe you remember where it was. Now, this video that we're about to see coming up here is from the Brooks Falls in Alaska, and we see several bears. So let's say this was the video you were going to be watching. So I would now spend 10 to 15 minutes observing the behaviors of the animals in the video. And because there's multiple kinds of animals, there's seagulls and bears, I could actually pick either animal. But you're going to pick one animal to watch, or one kind of animal. So I could watch the bears, I could watch the seagulls. And then as I'm watching, I'm going to take a screenshot. So it shows you up here how to do that on your Chromebook. You use the control button and then this button that looks kind of like a little square with 2 lines next to it. That will screenshot your screen, and you'll do that at the moment that you see the animals doing a behavior that you would like to record. And so let's say I wanted to do this behavior that I'm seeing 2 of these bears doing right now, where it looks like they're sitting, kind of dipping their head in the water, and I want to call that something. I would screenshot that, add that to the discussion post, and give it a category name. I could call it whatever I want. You get to make up a name for the behavior, but it's got to be a category name that helps you understand the behavior itself. Okay? If you don't know how to add those images, there's a video here that'll have a link describing how to add video images. You should post 3 images, each with their own category name. So you'll need to watch the bears or the seagulls or whatever animal you picked long enough to see 3 distinct behaviors, so different behaviors, and to get a photo of each one and give each one a name. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help.